Kids.
Oh, look at the pickle.
Hai guys, vlog kali ini masih tentang Mesir. Hari ini aku mau ketemu dengan kawan lama yang sudah menetap di Mesir lebih dari 20 tahun. We used to be online friends until my family and I moved to Cairo for 9 months in 2006. That was the first time we met and we spent a lot of time together. Because this is the first time after 13 years you eating it, so you made since Miriam was born. Since Miriam wasn't born yet, you stopped eating ginger cookie bread.
I knew what avenue was when I stopped.
Oh yeah. Anyway, rencana hari ini kita akan mampir sebentar ke area di mana aku dan keluarga dulu pernah tinggal. Namanya New Maadi. New Maadi adalah bagian dari distrik Maadi, suburb di selatan Kairo. Maadi dikenal sebagai salah satu affluent neighborhood dan dihuni oleh banyak expat yang ingin hidup sedikit jauh dari kebisingan kota Kairo. Terakhir kali aku kesini kurang lebih 9 tahun yang lalu, and it seems like it has changed so much.
Lagi jalan-jalan sama temen aku, salah satu teman aku, cuman satu sih teman aku yang tinggal di Kairo. But anyway, dia ajak aku jalan buat kita bernostalgia guys. Karena dulu aku sempat tinggal di daerah ini namanya daerahnya Maadi, New Maadi, dan aku sekarang ada tepat di depan apartemen lama aku. Oh my god. Tahun 2006 guys kita tinggal di sini.
Selanjutnya, karena kami agak lapar, aku diajak ke resto mie Aceh. Lokasinya di Nasr City. Dari yang aku dengar, banyak mahasiswa Indonesia dan Malaysia tinggal di distrik ini karena mungkin dalam hal rental apartment memang lebih affordable dibanding distrik lainnya. Plus, di sini juga lokasi yang baru dari University Al-Azhar. However, bisa dibilang it's not the nicest neighborhood karena banyak slum area-nya guys.
Mau ke warung Indonesia, warung makan Indonesia. Kok nemu aja tempatnya di sini? Pasti dari mahasiswa ya. Ini di dinding.
Kampus bencong zaman dulu.
Kayaknya ada trafiknya ya. Iya. Pedas nih. Kalau lihat mukanya. Lu makan apa sih?
Nasi goreng.
Oh, nasi goreng. Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? Is it too spicy?
Kok berakhir dengan terlalu pedas?
Enggak, katanya enggak pedas.
Pedas?
Kayaknya nyiprat ke ini dia.
Oh, masa?
Enak lah kalau punya anak makannya gampang, nggak stres.
Kayaknya yang agak susah yang itu justru.
Nah, tadi kita sudah makan di Nasr City area, sekarang kita keluar Kairo buat ngopi. This would be my first time travel this far. Vibe-nya sangat berbeda dengan Old Cairo guys. Dulu area ini hanya padang pasir loh. Sekarang udah berubah jadi kota satellite. Aku mohon maaf gak bisa ajak kalian explore Old Cairo, jadi kalian mungkin agak susah untuk membandingkannya. Yang jelas New Cairo jauh lebih tertata dan warganya tuh lebih civilized guys. Dan kemungkinannya biaya hidup juga lebih tinggi di sini. Kita dalam perjalanan ke masjid untuk sholat Jumat guys. Lokasinya di Sheikh Zayed City yang merupakan urban area dari Greater Cairo. Perjalanannya memakan waktu kurang lebih 45 menit dari rumah, and this is without traffic. I can't really remember the name of the mosque, but the location was within a community gate housing. Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
على الإنسان كثيرا وخلق الله عز وجل لخلقه ابتداءه من أجل النعم.
That door there says ladies entrance.
Okay.
إنسان أي أنعم عليه بالإسلام أن الله عز وجل وتفضله عليه والعياذ بالله.
فيجد العبد طعم الراحة وتعالى عليه، فكانت حكمة ما أروعها. في الجمعة الماضية قال يا رب ومن هو؟ أشهد أن محمدا رسول
Sudah ada yang sakau mau minum kopi, jadi kita sekarang ngopi dulu teman-teman sebelum kita pulang lagi.
Setelah sholat Jumat, kita ke Arkan Plaza yang gak jauh dari lokasi tempat kita sholat. Karena kita mau ngopi guys, plus belanja.
Oh, you're so polite.
So, sepanjang penglihatan aku, it seems to be the hangout place for the middle upper class Cairoese.
When I order a drink, I tell them less sugar. Pay him.
When I was like 9 or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
when you were what?
Before, I think in America.
2019? You were 9?
Yeah. Like before we started traveling even.
Oh yeah.
Can you see?
Denali.
我不可以说中文，我的中文不好。
Before we going home, we decided to get some groceries for us to cook tonight.
Kids, everything okay? You okay? Oke, jadi aku sebenarnya pengen banyak fotoin di sini, videoin. Tapi tadi aku ditegur katanya nggak boleh videoin harga-harga makanan di sini. So sorry guys, I cannot make any comparison about the price in the supermarket here. Tapi ini sih comparisonnya supermarket ini gourmet mungkin sama dengan kalau yang di KL apa ya, mungkin Village Grocer, I think, or Mercato.
Say it louder.
And bring here to store in big quantities, like sheets. Yeah. So there was this one clip that I came across yesterday where he was talking about how rain is a blessing,
Yeah.
and we all know that, right? But then he told a hadith that I'd never heard before about how Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whenever it rained, he would take his shirt off and he would stand in the rain,
Oh.
smiling.
Oh.
That's so beautiful.
Sebelum kakak dari ibu mertua pulang ke Amerika, beliau minta ditemani ke GEM, Grand Egyptian Museum, yang masa pembangunannya memakan waktu lebih dari 10 tahun guys, dan baru saja dibuka untuk umum kurang lebih 3 minggu yang lalu.
الخريطة بتاع جوجل بيقول إننا ممكن ندخل المتحف من هنا. بيقول لف دوغري ولف وتدخل الباركينج. There's a little tiny road that looks like it could go.
هتركني؟
أيوة هركن.
خشي الباركينج.
ممكن أسألك سؤالين؟
اتفضل.
أنا عندي تذاكر أونلاين.
اوكي.
واختي عايزه كرسي
كرسي بعجل جوه.
فممكن انزلها قبل ما اركن؟
لا لازم تركيني الاول.
لازم تمشي لحد من العربيه لحد
ممكن تنزليها هنا وانت تروحي تركني بس هتخرجي بره تاني.
They print these things with the whole city.
Guys, jadi ini entrance ke Grand Egyptian Museum.
حضراتكم مصريين؟ Okay, can you go?
Nervous.
Fun but frustrating fact is that Egypt has 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and Canada has 22.
You mean Egypt, the whole Egypt only have 7?
Yeah. And then, so...
And Canada have 22?
Yeah.
Do we know them?
No, there's nothing you've ever heard of. But there might be like here and there might be some, like native, indigenous, like tribal sites, but a lot of them are just literally parks with fossils. But the argument is that in this region of the world, Africa in particular, they're not very good about like preserving their like cultural heritage sites. But the thing is, we should be like pouring more resources into like making sure that they're able to like afford to do so, because sometimes like, it might be like a matter of like just lack of like resources.
Yeah, so is it just because of the government also not the local government also not really
plays a huge role.
care about it?
Exactly. So if the government doesn't invest in preserving their artifacts and their,
yeah.
We were driving, so we don't have that much time. The people were like very like dependent on alcohol.
Yeah.
But it was just such a problem. Like I noticed, like I think finally when they noticed, like it was like an imam was like leading a prayer drop.
Yeah.
And they said, okay,
No more.
done, like enough. They did it like chronologically, like
Oh yeah, this is like a scatter.
it's
like
yeah,
really
if you're
all over the
here
place.
not to just go look and take pictures, like I feel like that's kind of their target audience, and I think I get that's why that was Dad's concern. He was like, I don't know if their curation is going to be very good. I was like, oh, you're being negative, come on, like let's see. Like they spent a lot of money on this. You can tell they spent most of the money on the aesthetics
Yeah.
and the optics
Yeah.
rather than actually like delivering the information in an understandable way. Because, if they started with like, oh, this is artifacts from the first dynasty, and then giving us a little bit of information on like what the first dynasty, like what brought the first brought about the first dynasty, blah 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 blah. And it's like, I'm not saying that there's no information at all. It's just like
It's
very limited.
it's very limited.
Just like I'm not very like an audio. I'm like more of a reader.
Yeah.
So it's like
Yeah. So basically yang jadi bukan komplain sih, cuman yang jadi ininya si opini si kakak itu, si Mona itu, dia ngerasa kayaknya informasinya kurang jelas karena dia memang tipe yang suka baca kan, jadi dia pengen tahu detail gini-gini. Dan aku udah bilang mungkin kalau kita hire tour guide, dia yang akan ngejelasin lebih detail. Cuman ya kita nggak hire tour guide, jadi ya memang biasanya kalau di museum itu kan memang informasinya limited ya, nggak begitu banyak. Jadi I think she probably supposed to just like get the audio. Cuman ya itu seperti yang dia bilang tadi, dia lebih suka baca daripada dia dengerin suara. Jadi kalau nggak salah ini ada 4 lantai museumnya, dan yang paling atas itu the main galleries on the 4th floor, dan itu ada pemandangan ke piramid Giza, one of the largest, three the largest pyramid.
Yes, very good, thank you. Oh, they have sugar cane, limeade. Oh no.
Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. Eco offer.
Well, now you know how well she. Yeah. How do you know which one? When she went out with Nadia. Yeah. So I think this is the river. This is Tamia. Tamia.
It's like,
Tamia is. What is this? Yeah.
yeah, put that down on the sweets.
3 pieces of spicy pickle, lemon or eggplant with 2 pieces of classic texture. I didn't see the public
there's a whole section with all these different chicken.
And multiple cheeses on it.
Oh, look at the